Do you want to automate your blog, and an AI agent should create an article for your blog website, and that is really SEO friendly and boost your site SEO, and also generate a very attractive image for the article. So this is right video for you, and in this video you will learn how you can automate your WordPress blog with this AI agent. And this AI agent will create a very SEO friendly title and description and the image, and it will also approve from you first, and then it will post the article to your WordPress website. So let's take a demo of this, how this will work. Just open chat and come to here and write. Here I am giving him a topic, how to control blood pressure with exercise, and it will generate content for this and send back to us for approval. So let's send this. Here you can see it's creating the content, and here it's sent back to us, and here is title, how a daily walk changed my patient's blood pressure story. And here it's give us a short summary in which it's explaining what he's have created, and here is the full post content, and here it's create this in a storytelling like way. And because I gave him prompt like that, you are going to create a storytelling like article. And if you do not like this, and you simply type here for changes, and you can say do not, I am going to send him do not give this in a storytelling like way, and create the content with the real fact and research. And no, it's start in the revision, it's checking the response, and if it's a negative response and need change, it will come to revision agent, and here it will generate it and resend to us, and here it is again sent to us, and exercise proven and lower and control blood pressure, and here it's using the real facts and giving us the real research like article, and it has improved this. And if we do not like this, and we can again send him, and again send this for revision, and so it will be in a loop, and it will again revise this. And if we like this, and so we will go okay, it's good, no, post it. Okay, no, we have sent him for okay, and it will check there, and no, it is approved this, and no, this is going to generate an image for this. When the image is generated, it will upload in the WordPress storage space, and then it will post the article, and after that it will add the uploaded image to that article. It's generating the image right now. No, it's posting to WordPress. So here is the most important thing, how we will get this credentials. For get this credential, username, password, and WordPress URL. Here will be your WordPress URL, that will be your domain of your blog, and here will be your username, and here will be your password. And this password you will get from the admin. Come to the admin of the WordPress, and then to users, and here to you come to your, and when you come here, you go down to this section, application password, and here you add new name of the application password, and you will generate password like the API key, and you will copy that and come to here in the n8n, you will add that here, and the same password you will use in the HTTP request to upload the generated image, and you will choose your WordPress credentials, and here you will choose your API, and the same password you will use here for update the image of the post. Here it is said, congratulations, your post is posted, and from here we can view the post. So here you can see our post is posted in the blog, and here it's add simple habits to lower blood pressure naturally. So here it is the complete overview of this. And if we want to create a page for posting, and for give the client for easy access it, and easily post the article from the front end. So we just create a page, and we add a HTML code. Will add the element of HTML code, and in that you will add the iframe, and in iframe you will add the form link to generate the post, and you also add the chat link, which you can get from here. From here, the chat node, you will get this link, and you will add this here in the iframe, and from here you can easily access your workflow from the front end and within the WordPress. and from here you can easily post and generate content, review that, revise that, and post that. So here is a small announcement, and you can get all the assets from our community. So come to this from a link in the description of the video, and you will come to here, join our community, and you can access unlimited courses and unlimited workflow and assets from here in the classroom section. And you can add your post here, and if you feel any difficulty within the workflow and while learning, while experimenting upon the workflows, and you can post here and we immediately reply to you, and our other community members will help you related to this. So thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.